Hey y'all, it's Pretty Meg. I am back with another glamorous video. If you want to know how to achieve this look, make sure to watch this video from start to end. And if you are new here, please subscribe to this channel. If you've already subscribed, what's up? I love you.
I'm that bitch. Yeah. Been that bitch, still that bitch.
So as you can see, I have started with priming my face. You know what I mean, to make the makeup more flexible, priming this face. I got all of my makeup from Fit Me. So if you don't know, you already know. So I'm just priming my face. Next, I'm just, brushing up my brows to get ready to flick that thing. Now let's draw the brows. I'm going in with a black eyeliner to, line the brows and get it out in shape. After lining the brows, I decided not to, fill it in. I'm just going up and blending it up. I didn't fill it in, I just blend the line, and it gave me a thin black eyebrow. Now I'm going in with my concealer from Pro. After concealing, I'm going in with my Fit Me foundation over the eyebrow. Fit Me foundation. And now this is an interesting one that I need to, do some tutorial on. If you want me to go in depth as to how to pull the brows down, you just ask in the comment section and I'm going to do a video about it. So I'm going on with my foundation on my face, like you can see baby girl be popping out here. I'm going on with my foundation. After the foundation, I'm going in with my concealer, same concealer from Pro. Concealing under my eyes to get up the dark spot, the dark areas, you know what I mean. Now I'm going in with my bronzer, my contour, my bronzer. Now I'm using the sponge to, press the concealer into my skin. After letting it sit for a while, I'm pressing the concealer into my skin so that it looks flawless. And under my eyes, look, my aim was to achieve the bright under eye. So that's why I did it like that. So I'm just going in and blending it all up, looking all flawless, making sure it looks flawless, like it blends well and you don't see no, you know what I'm saying. Now I'm going in with my Fit Me setting powder setting it under my eyes and leaving it there so you can see it. Afterwards, I'm going in with my contour. Going in with contour, setting it to where it needs to be. Pressing it to the skin so that it don't get messy up. And as you can see, I am contouring the nose to put it in shape, give it the shape that I want it to be in. Now I am pressing the powder into my eyelid, adding some highlighter to my nose, go in with my blush. So I'm trying out eyeshadow as blush today, and yo, it's popping. As you can see, I am adding some highlighter to my cheeks so that it be popping up all the way. Now it's for the eyes. I'm adding some eyeshadow on the eyes, and then we can't do the eyes thing. You know, a girl gotta do what a girl gotta do. Adding some highlighter to my corners. Oh, boom. If you want to know in depth how I did this on gel, all you have to do is just ask in the comment section. And I am there brushing up my lashes. I'm not using false lashes today. I'm just brushing up my lashes. And then we are done with the face. Go to the lips. I'm lining my lips out with some brown lip liner. I'm going in with my lipstick that I got from Fit Me as well, and then I'm going in with my black eyeliner to get on my magical MAC. As you can see, I added some brown lip liner on top, and then I'm going with a lip gloss, and boom, baby girl is popping. The face is giving, the look is everything. So yeah, that's how we come to the conclusion of today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like the video, and comment your concern. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.
I'm that bitch. Been that bitch, still that bitch.